Hi, it's Paul from HobbyLink International. Don't forget, there's a subscribe link down there and a bell as well to click on to get notified of all the videos from myself and Kenny. So you're going to have a look at a new decal sheet from Iliad Design. This is 1/48th a National Guard Mustangs Part 3. Okay, let's see what we get inside the bag. So this is National Guard Mustangs Part 3 from Iliad Design 1/48 scale. Just open up the bag and have a look inside. These arrived from Iliad Design in a stout cardboard envelope. So I'll have a look at that in a second, but there's the 4 decal options. All pretty unusual. They've got the sort of different emblems for their different states. This is a Wyoming one from April 1948, California one with the rare California bear marking on it. There's one from Arizona, and this one's from Ohio. Iliad are really good at giving you, should we say, the finer details of what's going on the paint scheme. Like this one, the rudder seems to have been replaced, so it's a brighter colour than the rest of the aircraft. Like the top 3 aircraft here have non-cuffed propellers, while this one has cuffed propellers. Red spinners, natural metal overall, sometimes an olive drab anti-glare panel. This one's more faded, that one's a dark colour. So they give you all the little sort of the subtle variations, and also mention things like the different panels are slightly different tones of bare metal. Over the page, showing the difference between the cuffed and uncuffed propellers. Remember, the 4th one is cuffed, the other ones aren't, and giving you the where the other decals go. The faded parts are for underneath the wing, the underwings, and giving you all the last details that you need. So then we'll have a look at the decal sheet itself. I don't see, there's really minimal backing film on these, apart from on the text where you'd expect to see it to keep all the text in line. It's really nice detail on the Arizona one there. I'll put scans of all these on the website so you can have a close-up look at things like this and the fine details to see what goes where. Any stencils, just use what you get in the kit. Obviously this just replaces the main decals, but you should end up with some pretty interesting looking P-51s or F-51s. Many thanks to Iliad for sending it along to us to have a look at. I'll put a link underneath back to their website. It's the best place to buy them from. And yeah, overall very nice.